The image shows a vintage sign for Bob Lowe boats. The sign has text that reads Bob Lowe 6 boats every day and includes the phrase "Take one for a cool cruise to Gay Bob Lowe." Below this text, there's another line stating Detroit's Pleasure Island. Additionally, the sign advertises dancing bands at the dock and mentions a foot of wooden planks. The sign is mounted on a wall in an indoor setting. The overall style of the image suggests it was taken in a bar or pub environment, possibly at the time when the sign was in use. The image shows a vintage advertisement for a bar called Bob Lowe. What's unusual is that the text on the sign references the concept of being gay as an attraction. In today's context, such language is considered outdated and offensive due to its association with homophobia. This type of advertising would not be acceptable in modern times, as it implies that homosexuality is a form of entertainment to be taken or enjoyed for the sake of others. It reflects an era when societal views on LGBTQ and rights and representation were much different from what they are today. The text on the sign reads, Bob Lowe, 6 boats every day. It also advertises that there are 6 boats for a cool cruise to Gay Bob Lowe. Additionally, it promotes Bob Lowe's Detroit Pleasure Island, which is recommended by the dance band Foot of Woodward. The sign mentions that one can take anyone for a cool cruise to Gay Bob Lowe, and encourages people to come with their feet up. The image features text in various colors. The background appears to be a dark wall with some red elements, but without more specific details, it's not possible to accurately describe the full color palette used in the image.
The Detroit Bob Lowe boats. Yes, I do have knowledge about them. The Bob Lowe boats were a beloved part of Detroit's history and a popular attraction in the city. The Bob Lowe Boat Company operated a fleet of steamboats that transported people from Detroit to Bois Blanc Island, also known as Bob Lowe Island, in the Detroit River. The company was founded in the late 1800s, and its boats played a significant role in the city's entertainment and social scene. During their heyday, the Bob Lowe boats offered daily trips to Bob Lowe Island, which featured amusement park rides, games, and other attractions. The boats themselves were also a major draw, with their ornate decorations, live music, and dancing. Many Detroiters have fond memories of taking rides on the Bob Lowe boats, enjoying the scenic views of the Detroit River, and spending summer days on the island. The most famous of the Bob Lowe boats were the SS Columbia and the SS St. Clair. The SS Columbia, built in 1902, was one of the largest and most luxurious steamboats on the Great Lakes. The SS St. Clair, built in 1910, was known for its elegant design and opulent interiors. The Bob Lowe Boat Company ceased operations in 1991, and the boats were eventually sold for scrap. However, their legacy lives on, and many Detroiters still reminisce about the good old days of cruising on the Detroit River. If you have any specific questions or would like more information about the Bob Lowe boats, feel free to ask.